안녕하세요 여러분. 이 채널은 한국어입니다. 방문해 주셔서 감사합니다. My name is Jasmine. I'm a beginner to Korean self-study and I hope to teach you the basics as I learn them. In this video, we're going to be looking at the grammar point that lets you express that you can or that you can't do something. I hope you find value in this video. I hope you find value in this video. And as usual, comments, questions, and corrections are always and forever appreciated on this channel. Let's get into the video. You may or may not know that the Korean words 있다 and 없다 both mean to have and exist, or to not have or to not exist. When you want to say that you can or can't do something, it might be helpful to see this grammar point as almost saying like the ability to do something does or doesn't exist. So with that in mind, the particle for this grammar point is 릴 수 있다 or 릴 수 없다. This particle is attached to unconjugated verbs. So you take a verb from in its dictionary form. Dictionary form verbs always end in ta. You drop ta and just attach this grammar point to the verb stem. So if I wanted to say I can see the dog, I'd say 걔가 볼 수 있어요. Simple as that. The verb in the sentence is to see or to watch, to look. 보다. So you drop da and add 릴 수 있어요. 걔가 볼 수 있어요. Can I buy this book? You would say 이 책을 살 수 있어요. That man can't dance. 그 남자는 춤을 수 없어요. This example looks a little bit different because remember, 웃어요 becomes 웃을 거예요. The reason for this is because you can't have a consonant or a vowel by itself. So the verb stem for uta, or for verbs like uta that have a pachim, in order to have that 릴 attached, you have to have a vowel there. So using we've got 웃을 거예요. Think you got it? Let's practice. Feel free to leave your answers in the comment section below, or at least just tell me how you did. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe for more. Please share it with anybody you think might find it interesting. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, where I post more things about what I learn through learning Korean from day to day. And I will see you in the next video. 안녕히 가세요 and happy studying.